Hello everyone, welcome back to AVIATION. Yesterday, Airbus just released a video called Introducing Zero Emission. So what's the meaning of zero emission? Zero emission refers to an engine, motor, process or other energy source that emits low waste products that pollute the environment or disturb the climate. What's the Airbus target in these zero emission projects? Their targets, according to yesterday Airbus that video, in 2021, they expected launch of hydrogen ground demonstration, and in 2023, expected launch of hydrogen flight demonstration. In 2024, the start of hydrogen technology selection. At last, and also is their final target in 2055. Estimate entry into service of ZEROe, which means zero emission. Okay, now so what's the hydrogen and why use the hydrogen? Hydrogen can be combusted directly through the modified gas turbine. Hydrogen can be converted into electric energy, and hydrogen combined CO2 can be used to produce synthetic kerosene. There are three concepts of the aircraft. First, a turbofan design, 120 to 200 passengers which fall, with a range of 2,000 plus nautical miles, capable of operating transcontinental and powered by a modified gas turbine engine running on hydrogen rather than jet fuel through combustion. The liquid hydrogen will be stored and distributed via tanks located behind the rear pressure bulkhead. The second concept, a turboprop design, which for 100 passengers above, using a turboprop engine instead of a turbofan and also powered by hydrogen combustion in modified gas turbine engines, which would be capable for traveling more than 1,000 nautical miles, making it a perfect option for short-haul trips. The third concept, blended wing body design, which is the most revolutionary one. This aircraft mainly for up to 200 passengers above. Concept in which the wings merge with the main body of the aircraft with a range similar to that of the turbofan concept. The expansionary valve fuselage opens up multiple options for hydrogen storage and distribution and also for cabin layouts. Now let's move on to the question that important. In yesterday, I saw two questions I think is quite important. That's why I put these two questions in this video. Is hydrogen safe for the aircraft? Hydrogen is the smallest molecule that's safe to breathe, and is safe to produce the plane, which means it's safe to running the plane as energy resources. The second question, how does Airbus view the prospects of battery-powered flights for smaller regional flights and planes? Batteries have their place in aviation. They are relevant technology for Airbus. The question is, how big they can go. Certainly that can power the smaller application, urban air mobility technology. Well, Airbus said they see the hydrogen have much more potential at last. At last, I would like to share some of my feeling toward to Airbus. Well, I think Airbus is a very great airline company. First, during the coronavirus, they didn't stop their step. They just keep invent or discover. It's a quite important spirit for running a company or in aviation. So in here, I would like to say thanks to Airbus because they did think how to balance the life, how to protect the earth with their new invention aircraft. Again, thanks Airbus. Well, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, welcome to hit a like and subscribe.